Assalamu alaikum, what is up y'all? Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, welcome to my video, and a very happy Eid Mubarak to you beautiful people out there. So this is the first time I'm actually vlogging. As y'all can tell, I'm a noob. I'm a noob. But I thought let's just do something new this Eid and let's just like try vlogging. I don't even know like if I'm gonna post it or if I'm gonna discard it because I'm very skeptical about it. But I was like, you know what, let's just give it a try. So here I am trying to vlog and share. So bear with me all. I'm trying to vlog my Eid day. I just hope this goes well. So as you can already tell, I just woke up from my sleep. I'm still sleepy, I'm still puffy, and yeah, we have a lot to do throughout the day, so stay tuned and I hope you all enjoy. Hi guys, so I just realized that I'm supposed to vlog today, so I'm gonna continue my vlog. So I've done my face already, so I'm gonna do my eyes now. I know it looks very loud right now, but it's gonna get better. So I'm just gonna do my eyes. Now my dress is pink, so I'm gonna take, finally, by the way, I'm using my eyeshadow palette, the full color one. We go with the pink first on the outer corner and we blend it really well, really well. And we keep blending the pink on the outer corners. It's all about blending. I'm actually getting late, but your girl's gotta do what she's gotta do. Next, I'm gonna grab a concealer and make some space. We are not doing a cut crease, we're just still creating some space. So I've used some golden shimmer on the eyelid, and now I'm gonna use this eyeshadow. Finally, I'm using it. I don't know why it's not popping. Anyways, now that we are done with our eyeshadow, we're gonna go ahead and do our eyeliner. So now that I'm done with my eye look, I'm doing my mascara and I'm gonna do the rest of my face, my lips and everything, and quickly wear my clothes and see you on the other side. So bye. Doing a voiceover because noise pollution. So here is the final look, my Eid look. Honestly, I thought to go subtle this Eid, but your girl can never go subtle. I mean, even if I try, I just end up being extra. Anywho, I love my makeup, so that's what matters. And by the way, I'm looking here and there because I'm listening to my mom talk. And also I'm at Bristo C waiting for my food, and these people are taking forever. So I'm just like sitting here obsessing over myself until I notice my brother being the cleaner, taking up the cleaning job. Haha, kidding. So there was something on his table and he started cleaning, and I was making fun of him until 2 minutes later I started doing the same because there was something on my side as well. Anyhow, and then Rid is just being Rid, clumsy as usual. After that, finally, after an eternity, our food has arrived and no one cared about my shot, so everyone just took their slices. And we didn't even eat half of it, and we had to leave because we were getting late. And we ordered the chicken barbecue and beef spicy one, and honestly, I'm not a fan. I would just rate both of them a 6 on 10. And yes, I'm eating with a fork. And now finally we're headed to our destination. So we are going to Bagerhat to see Khan Jahan Ali Majhar and the Shat Mosque, or the 60 Dome Mosque. So this is the entrance. The light was so bright I couldn't even see my screen, or I didn't know what I was shooting. Anyhow, so this is the entrance. Hi Ducky, quack quack. I don't even know if you guys can hear me because I kind of forgot my mic in the car. So this is the place basically. So this is the famous Khan Jahan Ali Majhar, and the place is super crowded as you can see, and my brother is super annoyed. Anyways, so Khan Jahan Ali was basically a Muslim saint from the 1300s or the Sultanate period, and he was a ruler of this city back in the day. And it is believed that once this place faced drought and scarcity of water, and then this lake full of water appeared miraculously overnight after Khan Jahan Ali was instructed to do something in his dream. Honestly, not a fan of history, so Allahu Alam, Allah knows the best what actually happened. But ever since, this place has become a tourist spot, and thousands of people come every year to visit this place. And now we're headed out, and there are a lot of cute shops at the exit, and they sell stuff like prayer beads, sweets, rose water, incense sticks, etc. এগুলো কি?
এগুলো হচ্ছে নকুল, বাতাসা, কদমা।
And then your girl is sipping on some coconut water because she's tired. And now we're entering the Shat gombuj, or the 60 dome mosque. The entrance looks pretty and greenish, and thankfully it wasn't as crowded as the Mazhar. Again, this mosque was built by Khan Jahan Ali as well, and this is also one of the famous tourist spot in Bangladesh. Honestly, I was obsessed with how the weather, the sky, the greenish, everything looked together. Also, the old construction and everything, they all looked super pretty all together. And I really want to stay there for longer, but we just had to come back home early. And you can see my brother is super annoyed again. And then there was this huge tree where everyone was taking pictures, and wow, like just look at the beauty, it's so pretty. It was a beautiful place, honestly, to visit. And I love how these bricks and everything look. And then your girl is trying super, super, super hard to vlog. Honestly, it was so embarrassing because, it's my first time vlogging in a public place this way and everything. But I still gathered some confidence, and, I tried hard to vlog. And at that point, I was really hoping that my videos come out good. And then I saw this cute granddad and grandchild duo. Like, look at them, they're so cute, mashallah. And then we see my brother being annoyed, part 3. He's always annoyed, lol. After that, I clicked some pictures. Like, your girl did a photo shoot. So here are the pictures that I took. And I think they're pretty. Like, I'm obsessed. And finally, after that, we are heading home. As I mentioned earlier, I really wanted to stay longer, but we just got home early. So I'm fixing my nose pin, talking to my mommy, and taking videos until I noticed this truck, which is filled with people who are living their best life regardless of whatever. I mean, just look at them. They're like so carefree. They're like enjoying, singing out loud, dancing in the open. Such a beautiful view to end my journey. And that is all for today's vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.